Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use masking shapes when designing. Masking shapes are a great way to draw attention to certain elements of your design. So begin on your template or start from scratch, and then come over to this visuals icon on the left-hand side. This menu will open up, and go ahead and click View All next to Masking Shapes. Here you will see all the different masking shapes you can choose from, so select the shape that you want your element to be. Once you've clicked your element, it will show up on your artboard. Now, our masking shape element is highlighted, and in this top toolbar, let's use this Replace Image icon. A menu will open up on the left-hand side again, and here you can browse Simplified's photo stock libraries. Once you've found the image that you like, simply select it, and now that image will be in the shape of that masking element. You can continue to make little adjustments, and there you go. In just a few clicks, we were able to add an image to our artboard and also create a design around the edge of the image that will draw the viewer's eye to our design. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's design tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.